Hey guys, it's Whispertag Lego, and today we have a new MOC. This one is a diorama of the Avengers Tower. The design of it is based on the old Avengers set Malibu Mansion, and as you can see, the Malibu Mansion is put together kind of the same way. And when I saw that set, it did inspire me to create this MOC of the Avengers Tower rather than the Malibu Mansion, of course. I also took some inspiration from a Avengers graphic novel, which we'll get to in a second. But as you can see, there's this section on the right of the tower, and the section here on the left, which is kind of like the outside part of one of the top floors, kind of where they land the Quinjets and stuff. And so the Avengers are kind of having a party, hanging out, drinking, eating food. So let's get into the details, and I'm not going to show the minifigures because although a lot of them are custom, there's not really anything special. But I will show you this one. This is my version of Dummy, which is Tony Stark's robot, and he's been included in sets for a very long time. He always has a fire extinguisher so he can put out fires. We'll start with this room over here. Inside, Tony Stark is talking to Captain America and Nick Fury. They're standing around a conference table with some drinks and some newspapers. And over here is a small section of the Hall of Armor. And I will be buying the new Hall of Armor set to sort of go with this sometime soon. But for now, it's just this small thing with one of my Iron Man minifigures standing there, and some screens, and Thor's hammer is here for study. If you turn it around, you can see some of the windows. This definitely looks a lot like the Malibu Mansion set, with the big glass windows on angles like that, with the round part up here. And it also has the same function as the Malibu Mansion set, with this switch over here on the side allowing you to make these sections explode. I liked that function from the set, so I included it in mine. So anyway, in this build, the Avengers are not fighting any villain. This is just their free time. Over here is a kitchen. There was a kitchen in the Malibu Mansion set, although it was on the other side. And it includes some cabinets filled with some food and drinks. There's a spoon, another glass, an oven, and a stove. There's a little faucet with a sink, and just all the things you need in a kitchen to make it feel like a kitchen, basically. There's also a security camera back in that corner. Outside, the rest of the Avengers are having a good old time. Thor is barbecuing, and Spider-Man and Hawkeye are playing a little game. So both of those are from the graphic novel. And in this graphic novel, there's a part where the Avengers are having a party out on the roof of the Avengers Tower. And Thor is cooking food for everyone, and Spider-Man and Hawkeye and Hyperion are playing a game. I don't have Hyperion, so that's why he's not here. But what they're doing is, Spider-Man is using a golf club. Here he has the new golf club mold. He's using a golf club to hit a golf ball off the roof, and Hyperion and Hawkeye are competing to see who can shoot the most golf balls, and whoever shoots the most wins a Ferrari. And Bruce Banner over here, he's not Hulk, he's just calm and relaxed. He's got a soda. And this is my design for a grill. I made it sand blue because most grills are not sand blue, so it looks cool. And Thor has got his grilling utensil there, his fish, and there's some hot dogs on the table up here. So yeah, that's the rest of this MOC, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked this MOC and or this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!